What advice do you have for matriculates? Sanbonani, and welcome to IzikoDUT. Come along with us as you go and ask people that question.
Okay, so matriculants 2019, don't be lazy. That's the one thing that nobody told me when I was in matric. Don't be lazy.
Study hard, take a break, eat healthy, and drink water.
The matriculant must not only be known by you, must also be known by people that stay with you so that they can support you in terms of remembering our dates and time. Because it's so frustrating for iskole now you arrive at 2 not knowing what you were writing at 9. You understand? So keep your timetable where it's visible for everyone that's around the house so that they can support you, remind you about time and dates.
So guys, what is important for matric is just that you have to arrange your time correctly, know what to do on specific time, set your timetable to be right, and know when to study, study hard, pray, and everything will go accordingly.
Matriculate be that you shouldn't stress yourself out, and you should always be composed. Make sure you have all the equipment when you go to the exam room. Yeah, that would be all.
My advice to matriculants would be do not stress yourself out. What you know is what you know. What you don't know, you don't know. Don't try to put to hear like that's what they're doing in order to like study better, and you're trying to do that. Do what works for you. If what was if Websugu and studying Websugu was what was working for you, do that. Don't change it now. Don't change the pattern that was working for you. Don't listen to other people, and just trust yourself.